Okay, all I've got in the menu of the TV is a rubbish B movie before I was born. Okay, let's just watch that. Boop. A rubbish B movie before Dave was born. Dodo. The Revenge of the Mummy. Wow. Okay. Okay. Just gonna put that in. There, like that. The jewel. Just gonna put that in there like that. To type that. That looks a lot like Miss Molly. And that looks a lot like the jewel.